Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram bio line. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That'll open up your profile settings, and then you want to select where it says Edit Profile near the top. And then where it says bio, go ahead and click inside of here. And you can go ahead and enter in whatever bio you want. You are limited to 150 characters. And then once you're done, you would check mark that at the top to save it. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.